The next thing we're going to look at is how to animate things on your screen. If you have something on your screen like text, it's relatively not interesting to look at. You can make it more interesting by clicking animation. We want to go to custom animation, and then we can add an effect. Now, if you go to it and it doesn't say add effect here, it's because you haven't selected anything to add an effect to. So I'm just going to go over here, click add effect. When I do so, I can find effects that are entrances, emphasis, exit, or motion paths. Be wary of this one because once you start drawing a path, it's hard to stop. And I don't really know the secret myself to how to get it to stop. So I stick usually with entrances and emphasis, but of course the key to this is make it look good. If you think it looks good, it will be wonderful. So I always like to look at all the effects at the same time. So I'm going to go more effects. I'm going to scroll down. There's very basic effects. There's subtle effects, there's moderate effects, and then there's exciting effects. I go for exciting. I'm going to click, just for an example, swivel. And when you click it, it shows on your screen what it's going to look like. And so just find something you like. Did you see how the swish came in one letter at a time? You can actually make any of them come in one letter at a time, so don't pick it just because of that, okay? So let's go end up with the swirl in. I'm going to click OK, but here's how I change it to come in one letter at a time. If I have clicked right at the end of it, I'm going to Effect Options, and then it actually says Animate Text all at once. I can choose by word, or I can choose by letter. Now you would not want something that was really long to come in by letter because it would take too long for it all to come in. But something like that might look good. You can slow it down even a little bit. So the key is, do you think it looks good? If you think it looks good, it's awesome.